Can you plug solar panels into a socket? Well, no, you can't do anything with solar panels. Solar panels are DC, all your sockets and your power are AC. Obviously, most of your things in your home convert that AC into DC to use. So what you would need is a inverter in there, and if you are so what you need to do is, if you have a small inverter, you can run a small inverter on mains cable. That's your 2.5 millimeter cable that your house is wired with. Now, some modern houses, it's not practical because they're not on a ring. If on a ring, basically your socket's in the middle and the wires go both ways round the whole house. That way it spreads the load across two cables. Some modern houses, they've done away with that and they just have a single cable running out, feeding everything. So what you want to do is to make sure that you are on a ring and that you do not exceed the load on the ring that's going in and going out. So it does mean you have a low powered solar power inverter that is grid tied, which will plug into it.